Good afternoon and welcome to the Sunday, January 31st planning briefing from Missoula, Montana. All right. So we've had this theme going this winter where the models want to put something extreme out into the long-term forecast, and as we get closer, it's moderated it back to what's normal, less extreme. Well, that's what we call persistence in this business, and that's what's happening with what we thought was going to be a strong Arctic at the end of this week. We'll talk about that in a second. So, what do we feel confident about through noon Wednesday? We feel pretty confident that there's going to be a change starting after Tuesday. We're confident that it's going to be 5 to 10 degrees above normal Sunday and Monday. And we're confident that there's going to be light to moderate snow for most people. The moderate snow is going to be in Clearwater and Idaho counties, pretty much in the mountains. And what are we less confident about? The exact timing of a cold front, Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning. Then, after Wednesday noon, what are we confident about? We are confident about that pattern change. Temperature is going to go from slightly above normal to slightly below normal, 4 to 8 degrees. There's going to be multiple periods of light snow following that front through the weekend period. What are we less confident about? How much snow is going to fall and where it's going to fall, actually. And the strength and the longevity of the cold air starting Friday onward. All right, so our weather impact summary. We have snow falling in the mountains of the Idaho Panhandle. That boundary has been wavering east and west. It may get into northwest Montana. It'll be the far northwest corner of northwest Montana. Tuesday, snow at pass level. Snow level is going to stay high through most of the day. They are not going to come down until that front passes late Tuesday into Wednesday. And then Wednesday, north central Idaho is going to see, the mountains are going to see up to a foot. So we have moderate for snow. Snow everywhere else. Everyone's going to see a little bit of snow with the frontal passage. And then Thursday and Friday, we have that progressive northwest flow, a little bit of light snow for everyone. All right, so Sunday and Monday, warmer than normal, okay? What I'm showing you here is a graphic of 850 temperatures. This is a good proxy for surface temperatures in the Northern Rockies, okay? These warmer colors here, these are temperatures above freezing. This black line, that is the 0 degree line. And these blues and colder temperatures, those are below freezing temperatures. So we can see southwest flows bringing in moisture and warmer air. The precipitation through at least Tuesday morning is going to stay up in the panhandle of Idaho and Washington. And that will be through Tuesday. Then on Tuesday night into Wednesday, we have a cold front. Remember, this black line is the 0 degree line or the freezing line, and you can see that cold air. This is the Pacific Maritime cold air is marching through the Northern Rockies at this point. We have very strong confidence that this is going to happen. We don't have real good confidence on the timing. It's been trending slower, model run to model run. Breezy conditions during the afternoon, especially along the ridge tops with this front, and then along the front as it passes your area. A burst of snow with the front, so most valleys are going to see trace up to an inch. Now the mountains of the Clearwater Mountains, they could see up to a foot, and most higher elevations in the Northern Rockies are going to see a couple to 4 or 5 inches with this snow event Tuesday and Wednesday. The other thing that we were seeing in the models is as the front passes Missoula, and this current graphic is from midnight on Tuesday night. So the front will be just past Missoula for this run of the models. Now as it passes us, we see some intensification on the front. It's not meaning that you're going to see a lot more snow. It just, the snow may come down a little bit faster. There's a limited amount of moisture that this system has to work with. So that'll be south and east of this black line. So parts of central Idaho, Lemhi County, and southwest Montana. Then on Friday, this is noontime, this is 6 p.m., 5 p.m. in western Montana on Friday. We were expecting an Arctic front, but now we're just going to get modified cold air into western Montana. So we have this cold core of high pressure up in Canada. It's going to drop south somewhere into eastern Montana, along the border, or into the Dakotas at this time frame. We do have very strong confidence in this cold core of high pressure dropping into the upper Midwest. We have medium confidence on how much cold air is going to actually make it across the divide. This cold core moves a little bit to the west. There's more cold air making it into western Montana. It moves to the east. There's even less cold air making it across the divide. Currently, we think temperature is going to drop about 4 to 8 degrees below normal, and that there will be, in this progressive northwest flow from Wednesday into quite possibly Tuesday of the following week, multiple periods of light snow. So Wednesday, we're thinking convective showers as the atmosphere gets really cold. That'll be widespread, better in the mountains than in valleys, but it'll be widespread light snow. And then Thursday evening into Friday, there's a more organized wave dropping down, and that'll bring in widespread light snow. We're thinking west central Montana and central Idaho are the best locations for that period of light snow. And then Tuesday we can talk about the future. All right, so why are we confident in this cold area? This is what's called an analog. And an analog is using a weather map that the models spit out. We look and see, has this happened in the past? And if it has, if we can find a similar weather map from the past, we look at the climatology and see what actually happened on those days. Well, this one specifically is showing temperature departure from normal. And you can see we're really confident that it's going to be well below normal in eastern Montana and the Dakotas. Now here in western Montana, and even to a lesser degree in central Idaho, we're looking at about 4 to 8 degrees in western Montana and probably 3 to 6 degrees below normal in central Idaho. Once again, this cold core of high pressure moves to the west, and the temperatures will be even cooler, or the probability of colder temperatures increases. It moves to the east, and these cooler temperatures may not become that cold. It all depends upon where this core of high pressure is going. All right, just to look at the general trend for the week for a couple different locations. This is Marias Pass. You're going to see the same trend on each one of these slides. Warmer than normal, trending to cooler than normal. This is southwest flow. The snow level is going to be high all through Tuesday, but locations like Marias Pass, Lookout Pass, and above are going to see a little bit of light snow throughout the day. This is with the front, a quick burst of snow at the front, and then that wave on Thursday into Friday. Lookout Pass, same trend. Warmer than normal, trending to colder than normal. Burst of snow at the front, and then Thursday into Friday, that open wave dropping some light snow. Kalispell, but this could be all of northwest Montana. Warmer than normal, trending to cooler than normal. Northwest Montana has less probability of seeing accumulating snow at the front, but the possibility of skiff snow is everywhere in the forecast area. And that open wave is going to drop just a little bit, maybe a trace to an inch, Thursday into Friday. West central Montana, this is Missoula. Once again, the front drops a skiff of snow, trend from warmer than normal to cooler than normal, and then trace to an inch, maybe 2 inches, Thursday into Friday. Georgetown Lake, but all of southwest Montana, that trend from warmer to cooler, and here's the front, a little bit of burst of snow, and we think that there might be an intensification where that snow will come down a little bit more intense with the front, and you may get up to an inch of snow. And then once again, Thursday into Friday, a trace to 2 inches of snow. Pierce and central Idaho, snow levels will start high, but the mountains of central Idaho could see up to a foot Tuesday into Wednesday. Then the front will put down a burst of snow in most locations, a little bit of light snow with that convection on Wednesday, and then Wednesday into Thursday, a couple of inches of snow. The higher terrain will have more, the valleys will have slightly less. Now, the Tuesday update will be interesting for central Idaho. This could be one location where, with that northerly flow, they may see more snow. But once again, Tuesday will have a better outlook on that. Well, thank you for coming to this briefing. We will see you again the 2nd of February on Tuesday. Have a great day.